Hey, little explorers. Have you ever wondered what's inside our bodies? Let's go on a fun adventure to find out. First, let's meet our heart. Can you see it? Thump, 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 thump. What do you think our heart does? Right, it pumps blood all over our bodies. Can you put your hand on your heart and feel it beat? Thump, thump. Next, here are our lungs. They're like big balloons. Can you take a deep breath in and then blow it out like blowing up a balloon? Great job! Our lungs help us breathe in air and blow out the yucky stuff. Now let's visit our tummy. Here it is, our stomach. What do we put in our stomach? Yummy food. Can you name your favorite food? Yum! Our stomach helps us digest food so we can have energy to play. And here's our brain. It's like a supercomputer. It helps us think, learn, and remember. Can you point to your brain? It's up here in your head. Awesome! Our brains help us solve puzzles and play games. Now let's move to our arms and legs. They help us dance, jump, and play. Can you show me your best dance move? Wow, look at you go. Our bodies are amazing. Wow, we learned so much about our bodies today. Our hearts, lungs, stomach, brain, arms, and legs help us do all kinds of fun things. Remember, our bodies are special and help us explore the world. If you had fun today, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures. Bye-bye, little explorers.